There are three locations where the fuses and relays on the 6th Gen Honda Accord are located. If you are new to this generation of Accord and are wondering where the fuses and relays are, you're in absolute luck today. Let's get to business. The first location for the fuses and relays of the 6th Gen Honda Accord is under the hood, directly facing the passenger seat when looking from the open hood. This box is easily opened, like so. Inside, fuses and relays that control the heater motor, cooling fan, condenser fan, and a lot of other relays and fuses can be found. Every fuse and relay here and its position is represented on the reverse of the cover, so it's hard to get confused. The second location is the front passenger side dashboard panel as you open the front passenger door. Opening is simple. You simply grab it firmly like a door handle and gently pull towards you. Here, the sunroof fuse, if equipped, clock, backup light, courtesy light, cigarette lighter port, and an array of other fuses live. Again, as with the primary fuse box in the engine bay, everything is properly labeled on the reverse of the cover. The final fuse box is in the same position, but this time around by the driver's side. The opening process is similar to the immediately treated option. Here, fuses that control the fuel pump, airbags, fence signals, and a host of other fuses can be found. Here, a previous owner jumped the fuel pump fuse as a cheap fix. I'll attend to that later. As with the others, everything is properly labeled behind the cover. Why pay a mechanic when you can simply do it yourself? This isn't goodbye. Catch ya on the next one.